It was a very positive meeting that we had. Initially, we discussed for almost 1 hour with the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh about different issues related between the relationship between Meghalaya and Bangladesh and India as a whole, of course. And the Honorable Prime Minister was very positive also herself about the different possibilities in terms of economic relationship with India and specifically with Meghalaya. She also stressed on the fact that connectivity is very important. She stressed on the fact that waterways is something that we can develop. She informed us that there are a number of projects under the railways and under the road connectivity which will allow the access for the northeast to Chittagong were also discussed. We expressed our concerns and of course our opportunities in the whole situation in between Meghalaya and Bangladesh, and informed her that the delegation had come specifically to look at projects under the agriculture, horticulture sector, under the power sector, under the tourism sector, and also things to do with mining. So therefore it was a very positive discussion. We also touched on the heritage and the linkage between opportunities in the whole situation in between Meghalaya and Bangladesh, and informed her that the delegation had come specifically to look at projects under the agriculture, horticulture sector, under the power sector, under the tourism sector, and also things to do with mining. So therefore it was a very positive discussion. We also touched on the heritage and the linkage between and the past history that India and Bangladesh share, and specifically to do with Meghalaya. I informed Honorable Prime Minister about the visit to the jail where U Turot Singh was jailed and where he passed away, and incidentally that also happens to be the same jail where Bogobandhu was also jailed for almost 3,000 days. So we managed to visit the cell in which he was kept also, and we shared all those informations with her, and also expressed to her the need to also link our cultural heritage with each other, and that could be a starting point to really build up a much more stronger relationship so that we can take the economic activities forward from here. As I said, at the end of the day, it was a very positive meeting, and Honorable Prime Minister gave almost 1 hour to us, and I think in those 1 hour we could really discuss in detail many issues which are very positive for both nations. So from here on, to take things forward, obviously there will be a lot of involvement of Government of India and obviously Government of Bangladesh, and in the process we'll have to do a lot of things have to be done, and we must also realize that it's not that things will change immediately or we will see a transformation in one go. It's a process and it does take time. But for a start, what we strongly feel is that the existing entry and exit points and the existing ICPs that are there, the border huts that are there, the land custom stations that are there, we need to ensure that the infrastructures in these locations, the movement of people as well as goods should be streamlined as far as possible with technological intervention. So for that aspect, we will be moving with the Government of India, whether it's the Home Ministry or the Commerce Ministry or the External Affairs Ministry. So that is going to be one of the most important steps that we need to move. Number two, in order to start the economic activity going, I think tourism should be one area which we could look at, and tourism is a very simple thing where we have already signed an MOU between the tour operators of the two nations, Affairs Ministry. So that is going to be one of the most important steps that we need to move. Number two, in order to start the economic activity going, I think tourism should be one area which we could look at, and tourism is a very simple thing where we have already signed an MOU between the tour operators of the two nations, and Meghalaya, India and Bangladesh. And I think that particular tour operators MOU will really help us in connecting the tourists and allowing slightly smoother flow for the tourist. That is one thing that we're hoping. So that's first step that we'll go forward with. And another step that we want to work towards is agriculture, because again we see that it's a clear-cut combination for both, where they have got the manufacturing capability and we have the raw materials, yet not able to find the market for it. So therefore, I think keeping these aspects in mind, agriculture and food processing, value addition is something that can follow, in very smoothly. Of course, in the mining sector, we feel that there is a huge scope. A lot of things are happening in the mining sector that should be streamlined. So these are the few things that may happen in the short term and medium term. And of course, in the long term, we are seeing many infrastructural projects that are going to come up in both sides of the border. And I think that will be something that will be a game changer for not just Meghalaya state, but for the region as a whole.